Okay, we've got a rapid spray tank, small crack there that the owner has patched. A little bit of crazing just there on the plastic, which means that area's got to be covered as well. We've actually put, what is it, 8 screws with a patch on it, which is never going to work because that doesn't stop the crack going. As you can see, the crack probably started here and has ended up coming out past the patch. So we're going to plastic weld that and sort it out. Okay, so this is the patch removed, the crack cut out, holes prepared for welding. As you can see, the crack, once we followed the crack, it was a lot longer in the inside, probably over double the length that you could see on the outside. So we're ready to weld up now. Okay, so this is inside the tank. You can see how the plastic's pushed through all the screw holes and the V that was cut out. So we've got quite a good penetration. No point in cleaning that off, it's not going to get in the way of anything. We have the finished job. So the holes have been repaired, crack's been filled in, and then we've got a slightly raised section, as you can see, just to give it a bit of binding strength. Obviously there's a problem probably with the mounts, and that's what's causing the actual problem.